we're in the Detroit area hosting our 2024 Automotive Seminar. This annual event was moved from our headquarters in Cleveland to the Detroit area at host sites Forey Automation and Baker Industries, both Lincoln Electric companies, as we expand our automation footprint. The intent of having the seminar in the Detroit area is to bring the innovation and technology closer to our customers, the headquarters and engineering centers.
The reason for us to be here today is because of a fruitful collaboration with Baker Industries going a few years back.
Part of the technologies we were talking about was precision power laser, showcasing our new prototype facility. And this is an example of the laser fab pack cell. We were welding out battery trays as a demonstration. Some of the other discussions we were talking about is the weldability of HSLA and Gen 3 steels. We also talked about composites and additive manufacturing.
The seminar was attended by notable decision makers from OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers, and many automotive-related businesses. We had great attendance, great feedback, and interaction with our customers, and really had an excellent event overall, and we look forward to doing this again in 2025.